Hello and good morning to all of you. How's the day you have started today? And I just sit on the system and I just let the sea price is falling, or you can say it's melting like ice, similar to gold and Bitcoin. Both the price are going down and down and down, but where it will take support and from which position, and it will come down. So, guys, before I start the live session, I would like to tell if somebody has any kind of query, just let me know in the chat box, because we are here for the learning and earning as well. Before we earn, we would like to learn the setups. What kind of setup I am using? I'm using the demand and supply zones at multiple time frame, advanced liquidity concept. How the smart money concept is working means how the big players and the institutions are taking the entries in the commodity market, and most important and the supreme thing in the market, that is price action. Okay, guys, let me start with the goal today. What is happening here? Because the price is running right now 3961. So let's start with the daily time frame. So as you have seen, the low of today's gold is 3942. me make the marking. Here I have marked one line, that is 3925 approx. If the price will come down today, uh, this is the minimal price it can achieve today. Why I'm saying this, I'll take you to the 4 hours time frame. Just see, as I told you that with the 8 years of experience, me and my team has built up the AI indicator, which is smart enough and beyond emotions, that where to react. Just check this. There is a 4 hour time frame support where the price has reached, and after reaching the price over here, the price got reacted. And just check 3942, from 3942 it is running now 3964, almost $22 it has given the reaction. So far I understand that if this support will break the price, the price will go to till 3925, and even though if the price will break, there is another 4 hour time frame support, that is 3900. We'll discuss it later how far. Let me do it here. That is 4 hour time frame, it is responding properly when the price has come over here and the price is reacting back. So the indicator is working perfectly. We have included in the system that about the demand and supply, how the demand and supply is working, and with 8 years of experience, uh, we have concluded our experience in the form of logic, and we have put it together for the sake of the traders, that they can enjoy this one, and without any kind of emotions, hesitations, they can use it. They can use it very clearly. Very nice. It's time from 3. Let me show you something in BTC how it is reacting. Let me delete all these lines. Actually, I want to show something about the how Dhanalyst AI indicator is working. Just check. This is a 3 minute time frame, and there is AI has given the resistance, and not only this resistance, as I'm telling you again and again, that the complete market is based on demand and supply. Unless and until there is a buyer and a supplier, the process cannot be completed. So to complete this process of this demand and supply, one buyer equal to one seller, 1000 buyer equal to 1000 seller, or the number can be different, but the number of product will remain equal. Suppose there is 10 buyers who is interested in buying 1000 products, So it may be one supplier who can supply 1000 product, or there is 100 supplier and they keep on supplying 10 products each. So number of supply equal to number of demand. If there is any kind of imbalance in the supply and demand, the you will see the imbalance in the price action. This is the reason we are much concerned, we are much focusing on demand and supply, how it is working, and how other people is taking into their trade. The gold is working perfectly, though this one. Uh, Let me show you something at the bigger time frame here as well. Just check how many times the Bitcoin has taken the support from here. 4 times, and the number of times it is taking the support or resistance, it is becoming weak and weak and weak. So just keep in your learning, jot it down in your notebook that 2-3 times I generally follow and take the support and resistance as a fresh. As much as the resistance and support is fresh, the probability of giving the support and resistance is much higher. So I do not find anything much over here. So I'll go into the 1 hour time frame. This is the very good. Just check this one. Let me mark the. This is 1 hour time frame, means from 250 to 550. Just hold on, guys. Actually, while talking to you, I have taken one of my trade in the gold, and it is running 30 pips. Let me check it, how the trade will go. I was discussing about the multiple time frame analysis. So this is the 1 hour time frame supply zone where if the price will come in future, it will give a reaction. And similarly, you will find the 1 hour AI resistance is also here. So there is a double confirmation about the reaction. It is likely to happen in the near future once the price is coming in this zone. I've already marked the zone over here. So either the price will come in this zone or the price will come. This is the liquidity pending over here from here to here. Liquidity. So the pending say buyer is waiting here again for the buying, but there is a good support zone of 1 hour time frame. Just check how many times it has given the support. 1, 2, 3, almost 4 times. 3, 4 times it has already given the support. This is the power of Dhanalyst AI Indicator that we have put together our experience of support and resistance so that people and the traders will get benefited from it. And those who doesn't have much time for the analysis and is spending a lot of time on the screen, they can take the access of it and they can use it for their own personal benefit. So the price you can mark over here. Although this the reaction come from here from all these prices. So let me mark this. This is target where I have put the alert. You can see this, and if the price will come, it will give the alert. The alert system on both the places. Let me check the other how it is working. No, it seems like a garbage. When the price will come over here, it may give a reaction for once. So if you can see the AI indicator, it has already given the safe sell entry at the level of 60,081, and it has already given target 1, but I'm expecting more targets, more target approx 59,000 till 59,000. I'm expecting the target in the sell side in BTC, and you can see how small is the stop loss. Just approx 200 points. It's nothing. It's a peanut for the Bitcoin movement. So you guys can take the entry as per the 15-minute setup. Whenever the setup will allow you to take the entry, execute the trade, you can have it without any kind of fear and with the proper SL management. This the SL means stop your loss. Stop loss, stop your loss. No need to give more money to the market. This is the limit where you have to stop yourself and do not go beyond this, because in the market those whosoever is has learned the skill to take the stop loss, uh, they can be the winner in the market. However, it is not a one day game. It takes years and years to make your psychology intact and your discipline intact. Unless and until you are a disciplined trader and you learn the skill how to trade, you cannot make any kind of money in the market. At least if you guys are working on the daily basis, approx 2 to 3 years it will take to get yourself disciplined. From day one, if somebody is thinking that he could be a disciplined trainer, it is not possible, because you have to do some kind of sacrifice in the market. You will be compromised at some point of taking the SL. You maybe switch towards the hope trading sometimes. No, the price will come over here. Okay, this is the stop loss. No, this price will come down from here. Okay, this is the resistance here, so the price will come from here. No, guys, doesn't go for hope trading. Never go for any kind of hope trading. Just take stop your loss wherever the indicator or wherever you have decided before taking the entry in the market. If somebody has going to take any kind of entry, so you have to decide where my exit point is. You have to take the calculated risk. Only the calculated risk can make you the winner in the market. If you do not plan your exit, you will be engulfed by the market and your identity will be disappeared in few months or in few years, and you will be overburdened in with the loan in your family, in your career. So avoid taking any kind of loan or any kind of assistance from anyone, especially in the form of money, because once you have started this habit, you will not come over out of it, and you will be dependent on the tips. It is better advice to you guys that you should take the position as per the risk management, and as per the indicator is showing you where the entry is and where the stop loss is. If I take you to the 5 minute time frame, you can see where the entry was, and okay, now in at the time at the 5 minute time frame it has given the stop loss before, but I'll show you uh, how 5 minute time frame was working. Demand, just check this, where is the entry and where is the sell, and how it is working, and how much it has given the benefit to you guys. How the indicator is working, So even though if you guys are using the Dhanalyst AI indicator, and it will surely give you the benefit, and before taking the AI indicator access, you guys can have a request for the free trial access. We are providing the free trial access for 1 week. Thereafter, on the basis of your feedback and experience, you guys can have it directly in by the paid version. So excellent work is going on. So just check this. There's the SL has happened over here for at the time 5 minute time frame. Let us wait if there is any kind of uh, recommendation, any kind of entry has given by the AI indicator or not. Just check this one. The AI has created one support over here and resistance here, so I'm sure it will respect at least one time. Minimum one time it has to respect, but sometime depends upon the pressure, it will break or not. High risk sale. Just check this. And where is the SL? It's a very small SL. How much point it is? 360. And it has given the high risk sell. Okay, let us see. The SL is taking, we are taking at the closing basis. Okay, done. The SL is done. Very small. I want to show you at the 5 minute time frame. The reason is many guys are doing the scalping basis or very fast trade. They are looking into the BTC as well. This is the reason I'm showing it in the 5 minute time frame. So just check a small SL again. It has happened over here. We are still waiting for the new trade entry. The bigger the time frame you guys are using, the better the result it is, and you will get a less stop loss over there, and the reward is also much higher. Again, it has given the sell entry. Just check this, how the AI indicator has given the entry and the smallest stop with the smallest stop loss. Almost how much point? You see 100 point SL. That's it. 100 points is nothing for the, it's like a peanut for the Bitcoin. And check how it is giving now the target. You have seen the 2 SL back to back before that with around 300 or 400 points. Now it is giving the, how much it is giving now, you can see this target 4 it has given. So this is the power of the indicator, that how it is working. I'll show you the higher time frame as well, because higher time frame is working very perfectly, and it is giving a good result. I'm very happy with the indicator that we have developed this with our 8 years of experience, and with the demand and supply with the demand and supply zones experience at multiple time frame, advanced liquidity concept, and the most important and the supreme thing in the market, that is price action. So it is already given a good entry and a good reward as well. So you guys can have this and use it as per your choice. So as I've shown you the 15-minute time frame, it has already given the entry over here, and 200 point stop loss is there. And just check this one, how much was the approx 375 points it has given. It means 1:2 it has already given, 1:1. From here it is 400, 200, 1:2 guys. After entering the after the execution of your trade, it has given the 1:2. Just check this one, and after that the price is running over here. But as I show you that the price is likely to come over here. Once the price will come over here 59,600, from 59,600, once the price will break, it is likely to come over here, that 59,300, and thereafter 59,000 approx. These are the three key levels I have marked over here. Let the price dance in this zone. And above side I have given you the one of the 1 hour time frame supply zone, where the price, if the price will go there, and it will surely give the reaction. So just wait and watch how the price is moving here. Because it takes a lot of time in the market. The patience in the market is very important. Whosoever is having the patience is rewarding the people. Unless you guys have the patience in the market, you cannot be rewarded. In the market, discipline, that is patience, waiting for the right setup, it will surely reward you. It will surely reward you. Focus on your discipline and focus on your setup, whatever the setup you guys have made for yourself. So stuck with one strategy, stuck with one setup. Whatever the setup you are using, use your setup and use your strategy at least 1000 times, so that it will give a good reward. Unless until you are using the strategy and your setup 1000 times, you cannot get the mastery on it. And finally you cannot be rewarded as well. You have to wait, and you have to be patient in the market. Keep patience, very calmly control your mind, because market is supreme, you are not the supreme in the market. So it is my advice, learn the skills before you start earning into the market. Learn the discipline, learn the strategies, learn the trading the zone, so you will come to know about the demand and supply, where the demand is, where the buyer is pending, where the pending sellers are waiting for the price to come, and they will surely make their own reactions. But I'm telling you very clearly that the big players are not working on 5 minute time frame or 1 minute time frame or 3 minute time frame or 15 minute time frame. They are making the positions at the bigger time frame. So guys, you can see the power of the demand and supply zones, where the pending buyers and pending sellers are waiting for the chance to enter into the market. And I have advised you the price actions is the supreme in the market. So nobody is supreme, neither you, neither me, or neither somebody else. And the big players are using the higher time frame for making the positions. They are not doing the scalping. But sometimes I have seen that many people, many traders are doing the scalping with the smaller time frame at the time of 1 minute time frame, 3 minute time frame. In BTC, it is not recommended at all. Minimum 5 minute time frame is recommended for the safety of your capital, because I don't want any traders will go in the losses and at the verge of collapse. This is the best advice I can give you guys. Just focus on your setup and strategy, and try to maintain it and practice as much as possible. And in the market, unless and until you guys are spending 2-3 years continuously practicing, one cannot get mastery in it. So it's unadvisable to stay in the market for the longer time. Save your capital. Save your capital and save your trading journey. As you know, it's around 9 a.m. in the market, so I keep this setup open for you guys, and I'm going in the Indian market, switching to the Indian market, so that I can do in the Nifty, because Nifty is my favorite, and as per the SEBI guideline, I cannot reveal it where the entry and exit in the Nifty is being captured by the AI indicator. But if somebody is interested in getting the Dhanalyst AI indicator, they can contact on the WhatsApp number we have provided over here for them, that they can contact, and in the description of the channel we have given our website address and telegram details over there, so you guys can have access with us from there and take the free access for 1 week trial, and you, based on your experience and trial, you guys can buy it in the future for your own safety and for your own trades. But before taking any kind of trade, you must consult your financial advisor, if you have somebody, or better you go for the research work before execution of any trade, because safety of your capital is utmost important. Okay, I'm putting it live from here, so it will remain live, and I'll be back around 11 a.m. So this is the gold. I put it here. A strong sell is recommended. You guys can see here, and as I have already discussed about the Bitcoin, it is also showing here, so you guys can carry on and enjoy it as per the setup captured by the Dhanalyst AI indicator. So you guys can have the enjoyment of your trade from here as well. I'll be off. My mic will remain off for some time. So if you guys have any kind of uh, query, you guys can message me here.